little butterflies. Welcome to EasyLearn Academy, where learning is fun.
Hello, my cute little butterflies. Okay, today we are going to learn Arabic alphabet. Okay, we will start from the letter. Can you see these letters? Yes, from Alif till Ya. These are the Arabic alphabets. The first one is Alif. The first one is Alif. The second one is Ba. The second one is Ba. The third one is Ta. Ta. And the next one is fa, fa, fa. And the next one is jim, jim, jim. And the next one is ha, ha, ha. And the next one is kha, kha, kha. It should come from the throat, kha. And the next one is dal, dal. Next one is zal, zal, zal. And the next one is ra, ra, ra. And the next one is zai, zai, zai. And the next one is seen, seen, seen. And the next one is sheen, sheen, sheen. And the next one is sword, sword, sword. And the next one is Lord, Lord, Lord. And the next one is Twa, Twa, Twa. And the next one is Law, Law, Law. And the next one is Ein, Ein, Ein. And the next one is Wine, Wine, Wine. See the letters carefully. And the next one is Fal, Fal, Fal. And the next one is Cough, Cough, Cough. And the next one is Calf, Calf, Calf. And the next one is Lamb, Lamb, Lamb. And the next one is Meme, Meme, Meme. And the next one is Noon, Noon, Noon. And the next one is Her, Her, Her. And the next one is Wow, Wow, Wow. And the next one is Yeah, Yeah, Yeah. Okay, these are the Arabic alphabets from Alif till Ya. I hope you understood these letters and its sound. In the next class, we will learn about haircut, how it will sound when we put haircut on these letters. Okay, so today's class is over. Good job, students. Today we learned the Arabic alphabet from Alif to Ya. Practice these letters every day. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to Easy Learn Academy. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye.